tó ń sanwó tẹ tó ń sanwó sukú àwọn ọmọ ẹ Ìyábọ̀ Òjó wípé kí ló tó ń ṣe báyìí náà tó bá ti ṣe fún ẹ tẹ́lẹ̀ tó ṣe fún ẹ mọ́ ìwọ ló fà á Ìyábọ̀ Òjó ìwọ ló fà á tó mọ̀.
bí fídíò ọ̀hún ṣe wà nígboro nìyẹn o ìbéèrè tí ọ̀pọ̀ èèyàn sì ń béèrè àwọn ni pé kí ni ó lè díjà sílẹ̀ láàrin òṣèré tíátà méjì pàápàá lórí ètò ìdìbò tí ó ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ wáyé tí àjọ elétò ìdìbò papọ̀ kò tí ì kà á sí ti aráyé tẹlifíṣàn Alóore fún àwọn ọmọ Yorùbá ti pe ọ̀gbẹ́ni Lẹ́gẹ́ o gbajúmọ̀ òṣèré tíátà tó tún máa ń kọrin hip hop lórí fídíò tí òun àti Ìyábọ̀ Òjó jọ ń pín kiri yìí lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Bọ́lá Tinubu àti Peter Obi kí ló sọ gan o ẹ máa bá wa ká lọ.
ẹgbẹ́ gọ́lẹ̀.
yà akú ìgbò yìí
bẹ́ẹ̀ ni mo gbọ́ yín.
ọlọ́run ajé kó já síbi tó dáa.
àmín.
yà ọ̀sán yìí ni àwọn èèyàn rí fídíò yín ti àwọn ẹ̀rọ ayélujára míì tí káwọn èèyàn mọ̀ pé èsì ìbò tí ọ̀kan àwọn gbajúmọ̀ òṣèré bíi tí wọ́n káàkiri káwọn èèyàn máa tẹ̀lé kọ́ máa ṣe kọ́ máa kà á sí wọ́n fẹ́ fi da Nàìjíríà rú ni ìyẹn Ìyábọ̀ Òjó kí ló fa eléyìí kí ló bí gan.
nǹkan ló ṣẹlẹ̀ ní pé ṣáálí bí gbogbo kìíní ẹ̀ ṣe ń lọ lánàá tí wọ́n parí voting táwọn ti vote tán tí gbogbo ẹ̀ lọ. àwa rí wípé ṣàdédé kò tí ì ju nǹkan bí aago mẹ́rin Ìyábọ̀ Òjó ti ń pòlì result ti tiẹ̀. Obi kìíní wú bí báyìí Obi kan wú bí kan Obi dẹ̀ ti wú bí kan. gbọ́ ògbó wẹ́ wọ́n máa post APC àbí máa post PDP. ní àwọn other bloggers wọ́n post gbogbo ẹ̀ tí ó tó lè yé wa bẹ́ẹ̀ pé wọ́n bí bó ṣe ń lọ. ìwọ nìkan obedience ló ń pòsì obedience ló ń pòsì yìí ṣé òun dáyàbá ṣé òun scare àwa pàtì tó kù ni. ó dà pé ọmọ yìí ó dẹ̀ lè fi dá wà lálẹ́ táwọn INEC bá lọ rí. tó ló gbé ṣe bó ṣe lọ ni.
bàbá ńgbà tí wọ́n ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ ètò ìdìbò yìí ohun tá a rí ni pé ẹ̀yin òṣèré tíátà ẹ̀ ń tẹ̀lé aṣáájú Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu APC àwọn aláàjì Yínká Quadri àwọn náà wà ń bẹ̀ ìgbàgbọ́ àwọn aráàlú ni pé bóyá tampa náà gbé gbogbo iṣẹ́ yẹn fún àbẹ́yìn ọmọ ẹgbẹ́ kan náà ṣà tó fún níṣẹ́ yẹn ńgbà yẹn.
gẹ́gẹ́ bí èèyàn kan tó jẹ́ pé èmi ti ń tẹ̀lé Tinubu tó di primary.
ok.
a ní oríṣiríṣi tó ń ṣiṣẹ́ fún Tinubu.
ok.
sí nínú indọ́sì tó jẹ́ pé wọ́n wá àjákì àwọn artist. irú MC OLÚỌMỌ sìn ó láwọn kan tó ṣà sọ́dọ̀ ẹ̀ náà sọ́pọ́tì tó dẹ̀ fi náà sí wa láti máa sọ́pọ́tì Tinubu.
ok.
àwọn aṣọ tàbí campaign.
fìlà gbogbo ẹ̀.
tó fún amóhùn tàbí campaign káàkiri tó gbé káàkiri òkè nìyẹn bí wọ́n ti tọ́jú wa tàbí tó wá ṣe tàbí wà. wọ́n fi wá sí ìdíkùn fún oṣù kan àti ọ̀sẹ̀ méjì àti campaign back to back káàdì lọ lé. ìyá ẹ̀ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ ìdìbò náà. ìyá ẹ̀ tó ara wọn ẹgbẹ́ ìyá ẹ̀ tó wà nígbà ní ẹgbẹ́ tó wọ́n dálẹ̀ wọ́n ní wọn ni mo jẹ́. so àwọn kan náà wà wọ́n tẹ̀lé àwọn kan náà tẹ́lẹ̀ pé Tinubu náà lọ ṣẹ́ pé jẹ́ ara wa náà wọ́n ṣẹ́ fún Tinubu náà bọ́tà wà ní dípẹ́ndípẹ́ pààtì. so wọ́n pé wọ́n pé ara wa ń ta ẹ̀kọ́ síbẹ̀ gbogbo sọ wípé wọn kò Ìyábọ̀ Òjó ara wa ń ta. ara ń ta.
bọ̀bọ̀ kí lé tí mo fi pè é kí ló fà á tí mo fi pè é torí òun náà fèsì ni.
ẹ̀kọ́ bẹ̀ ọmọ àgbọ̀ máa padà gbẹ́bẹ́ tó ní pé kí oníwàhálà ó lè lọ gbàgbọ́dẹ fún wa wọ́n dẹ̀ fi pé wẹ́ gbogbo akọ́lá làwọn máa kó sínú kíláàsì pé kan náà tó ọ̀dẹ̀ gbọ́ ọ̀dẹ̀ wọn pé wọn ò ní ìdí.
nǹkan tẹ́yìn ń jà fún sí ni pé kó jẹ́ kí àjọ elétò ìdìbò INEC kan kéde ẹni tó wọlé. mo ní nǹkan tẹ́yìn ń jà fún sí ni pé kó ní sùúrù kájọ elétò ìdìbò kan kéde ẹni tó wọlé dípò èyí tó ń pín káàkiri yìí ṣé bẹ́ẹ̀ ni.
bẹ́ẹ̀ àdúgbò àti ìjọpọ̀ kan ó ń kíbà pé result àdẹ̀mú pé mo ṣe ń kíbà pé result yẹn àwọn ọmọ máa fi lé kó òótọ́ ló ń sọ àwọn INEC máa gbé result jáde wọ́n máa bí pé wọ́n rí ìbò òní torí ẹ̀ mo ṣe takò ẹ pé má sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ mọ̀ ọ̀ kì í ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ kò kì í ṣe INEC staff.
àwọn tó wá jẹ́ àgbà ọ̀jẹ̀ nínú yín tí àwọn náà wà nínú ètò polongo òbò kí làwọn ti ṣe irú àwọn aláàjì Yínká Quadri kí náà ti ṣe àwọn Saheed Balogun Folúkẹ́ Dáramọ́lá táwọn náà wà ń bẹ̀ kí náà ti sọ.
gẹ́gẹ́ bí sọ pé ọ̀tọ̀ọ̀tọ̀ ni ta wà láti ṣe wọn náà.
ọ̀tọ̀ọ̀tọ̀ tí ń ní eléyìí àbí. ṣá o ọ̀rọ̀ yìí ti di ogun ó ti di àdùbí o wàhálà rẹpẹtẹ ni àwọn òṣèré tíátà ń bára wọn fà bí oníwà ti ń wí bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ẹlẹ́yìn sọ o lájorí ohun tí wọ́n sì ń bára wọn fà náà ni ọ̀rọ̀ Bọ́lá Tinubu aṣáájú ọmọ olódòdè àti MC Olúọmọ ọ̀gá onímọ́tò tó pe kálukú wípé kí wọ́n wá ṣèpolongo òǹbù fún Bọ́lá Tinubu nínú ètò ìdìbò tí ó wáyé ní sátidé ọjọ́ 25 oṣù kejì ọdún yìí wàhálà tí àwọn òṣèré tíátà ń bára wọn fà yìí níbo gan ni wọ́n fẹ́ bá yàrá já o ẹ máa bá wa kà lọ.
ẹ wò èmi ò ń láì kí n máa wá sórí social media kí wàá máa pariwo àbí ká máa sọ ká máa búra wa àdúní àdè àbí kí ló ń pè ẹ́ ṣó yà wèrè ní ó náà wọn kọ́ wọ́n lọ ṣiṣẹ́ for 40 days at the end of the day owó tó fún wọn peanut ni kí ni títí ẹ̀ ń bẹ̀ ṣó sọ fún ẹ pé nítorí owó la ṣe lọ ni àbí ìfẹ̀ta ní ṣaṣáájú tó lu ọmọ bá tún wá pè wá MC Musiliu tá bá tún wá lọ ó tó bẹ́ẹ̀ ó jù bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ ìjọ torí lọ wọn ta ní wèrè tó ń pòkọ ọbànújẹ́ fún ẹ tínú ẹ wá ń dùn tó wá ń gbé mọ́ wọn ta ló ń fún ẹ ní bad information tínú ẹ ń dùn àwa wí tó ní bó jẹ́ 5 naira lórí inú ilé ẹ o lè 100 naira 100,000 ṣe sàárà tani wọ́ ó ti gbàgbé àbí ó fẹ́ ká break table ìwọ tó jẹ́ pé ìwọ gógó ní ọba oníṣìnà rosga ayé àtọ̀hún of reasons ló lóyún fún ọkọ lọ́kọ tó lọ àbọ̀ tẹ̀ àbí wèrè ni àbórí ń ta ẹni àdùnní àbọ̀ ń ṣe èrè àbọ̀ wọ wèrè ni àwa wítọ̀ ẹ̀gbọ́n ẹ̀ àbáǹtí ẹ̀dẹ̀ ni ìyẹn náà sọ pé ọ̀rẹ́ òun lolú ọmọ ó ti gbàgbé pé a friend in need is a friend indeed ni ọ̀rẹ́ mi ni ọ̀tá mi ni olú ọmọdé fún ẹ lówó òun gbà ó dẹ̀ mú candidate ẹ̀ ó dẹ̀ fi ṣe yẹ̀yẹ́ abẹ́jọ́ wọ wèrè ni ṣé ń ṣe èrè ni àbí wèrè tiẹ̀ níyìn ni ẹ̀ lè máa sọ̀rọ̀ lórí social media bí pé ẹlòmíì ò mọ̀rọ̀ sọ mọ́ ó dẹ̀ tẹ́ bá jẹ́ kí n bá yín bẹ̀rẹ̀ ẹ̀ ní dúró parí ẹ̀ ṣe èrè ni tábà wípé ẹ̀yin ọlọ́pàá máa kọ́ wọn wọ́n ọlọ́pàá máa kọ́ everybody wòtòwòtò á bá yín.
The wrote here that Lege said MC gave me 3 million naira. Okay, so let me address that issue. MC is my friend. I've known him for how long now? Give and take 10, 11, 12 years, right? Now, Lege, let me give you more information. He did not only just give me 3 million naira. Let me start taking it from the beginning. I remember when my child was sick and in the hospital many years ago. He came. He supported. Do you understand? He did. I can't remember, but he supported. He paid bills. He's been to my daughter's birthday party before. Not once, not twice. Yes, he supported. He gave her money because they are almost birthday mates. Do you understand? For my mom's burial, he didn't give me 3 million. He gave me 3.5 actually, not 3 million. Do you understand? And even recently when he came to my place, he gave me, was it 500,000 or so? Yes. MC is my friend and he's a giver. And that's one of the reasons why he's my friend. I like him a lot because he does not only do for women, he does for women, men, and everybody. He's a very nice person. Do you understand? And I would forever respect him for that. But that does not mean that I have to support his political candidate. Do you understand? I will not support his political candidate for my own selfish interest. I will support anybody I want to support based on the fact that I am convinced and my conscience is clear within my heart to support that person. My man is not supporting Peter Obi. So all of you people saying because she's dating an Igbo man. No. He's not supporting Peter Obi. In fact, I don't know who he's supporting because he's neither here or there. Do you understand? Whoever wins, as long as the person can do better. Maybe he has lost hope in Nigeria, or maybe he's just not bothered though. But he's not even supporting anybody. So because MC OLÚỌMỌ has done some certain good in my life, I should now support his political candidate, even if I have no faith in his political candidate. MC OLÚỌMỌ is not my only friend though, that is in APC. I have plenty of them. One pọ̀ gan. Do you understand? Even Seyi Tinubu is my friend. We chat, we talk very well. His son, Seyi Tinubu, is my friend. So, I don't know what Lege is talking about. If you are following a political party because of what you stand to gain, that is you. What you start to gain, what you have gained, what you think you will gain, that is you. That is not me. And I've said it here in my write-up and in my words, time and time again, that yes, I have friends in political party. Do you understand? I have friends. I have APC. I have PDP friends that have given me 5 million, 10 million, because on that got 3.5. That has given me 20 million. Big money. I am not friends with MC OLÚỌMỌ because he's in APC. I didn't know his political party or stand or strength when I met him or knew him. Do you understand? I am friends with him because he's nice to me, because he's also my friend. So if he chooses to leave APC today and go with PDP or MPP, on NOP, on NUU, on DDU, or da, he will still remain my friend, because my friend is my friend, irrespective of whatever political party that they choose to belong to. I don't know if I'm making sense to you, Lege. The problem I just have with Lege is he doesn't really understand English, but I'm sure his friends that understand English can, can break it down. Dayo Musa is not referring to me, because I am not one of the ladies he paid hotel bill for him, and I saw the write-up. Dayo Musa is not referring to me. Dayo Musa might choose not to mention the name of the person that she's referring to, but that is definitely not me, because MC OLÚỌMỌ did not pay for my mortgage, has never paid for my mortgage. I don't even think we've ever had that discussion before. But yes, he has bought me a TV before. Yes, he bought a TV for me as his own contribution when I was doing my housewarming. He's my friend. A lot of people bought things for me when I was doing my housewarming. Otolento da freezer, otolento da fridge, otolento da AC. A lot of people contributed. Like when my mom died, I have that gift. From Tiwa Savage to the rest of them, women contributing money, bringing cows, bringing everything. People gift me because I'm also a giver. Hello, am I making sense to you? People gift me, I am also a giver. So Dayo Musa is not referring to me, because there is no place in the list. Can I have the list, please? Give it to me. There is no place in the list that MC OLÚỌMỌ, am I making sense, paid for me and my daughter's hotel. So she's not referring to me. So Emma Dajale, you guys should not cause fights. Dayo Musa is my friend. Am I making sense? I and Tinubu were never friends, but I and Seyi Tinubu are friends. I don't deny my friends because of political battles, because the party will change but your friends remain. Because we share different political interests today does not mean that we will no longer be friends. We might fight today for our political differences, but trust me, tomorrow we might still sit, wine and dine. Hello? Do you understand? So I saw one comment here. Let me go back and read. Can you hear? See, any irrelevant person that insults me, please, everyone be on irrelevant people who are so the page me. I have a lot of enemies, and I will have a lot of enemies, because you know me, I'm a very blunt person. And I say the truth, I say the way it is. Because I come out to support you. If you do anyhow, I know like I will talk my own. If me say do anyhow tomorrow, I bet not give me woto. Do you understand? It's normal now. When I came out to fight for the girl child that was raped or molested, do you understand? A lot of you people were in disagreement with me, and I took it in, good faith. And those who understood me stood by me. So it's normal thing. You can't be friends with everybody. Do you understand? And those that don't like you will never like you. There's nothing you do or say. They are indifferent of who you are. But you do you. Stand your own truth. Be your own person. Stand your own truth and be your own person. Am I making sense? So all of you coming here, I be like guys saying that, okay, Dayo said, when they pay your children's school fees, it no be talk. Well, that's not me. He never paid. When they pay your children's birthday party bills, he never paid my children's birthday party bills, but he actually came to spray my daughter on her birthday and dashed her money. When they pay your house rent, he has never paid my house rent before. When they sponsor your flight ticket, he's never bought a ticket for me before. When they lodge you and your children for hotel for the weekend, that's not me. So Dayo Musa is not referring to me. So you guys should not ignite a fight until she comes out to say it is me. Dayo Musa is my friend. In fact, when I go up this live, I will call her Nasa Jota Lombawi. She's definitely not referring to me, because all these things that she has listed here is not me. And Lege did not get his facts right. 3 million keresin koti MC OLÚỌMỌ ti ṣe fún mi. He's my friend, but I do not support his party. If you people feel that because somebody has done something good for me before, then I should support his party, then you people are not ready for change in Nigeria. That's called Bele infrastructure. Do you understand? That's voting on sentiment. Tinubu is a political godfather to so many people. Am I making sense? And I respect him as a political godfather to so many people. Yes, he did some good in our industry to a lot of my colleagues, which is very okay. I remember the time when Moji Olaya died, and I was called upon to come and, solicit for him to support in Moji Olaya being flown back to Nigeria. Do you understand? I did go. I went with them to solicit on behalf of my late colleague, may her soul rest in peace. And he did his part. So because of that, I need to support his party. No. That is one thing he has done for one person or few people among the country. I do not believe. I believe that he is an excellent, a brilliant person. But I believe that he is old and his health would not allow him see to the problems of Nigeria. I believe Nigerian problem is big. And I believe that that man needs to be resting right now, sitting in at, and giving orders to those that he will choose to go and lead us. I see him as a kingmaker, a godfather, but I do not see him as my president. Whether he wins or he does not win, I do not support the idea. Just like I did not support Buhari. I did not support him. I have an entitlement to my opinion. Do you understand? I have an entitlement to my opinion. I did not support Buhari. But when they called me to say, I remember, was it a few years ago, they called and said, Buhari, First Lady of Nigeria wants to gift some of We Entertainment Award. I went there to receive my award because I have contributed my little to the entertainment industry. So if they choose to want to recognize me as one of the few Nigerians that have supported or supported the entertainment industry and have brought a lot of glory to the entertainment industry, why would I not go and collect my award? Because I do not believe in his government or because I do not support him does not mean I cannot go there and receive my award. Am I making sense? It's my choice. It's my choice. It's my choice. Lega came out saying I was speaking fake news. What is the fake news? Are you blind? Can you not see that I am reposting updates on my page from other people's page and giving them credit about it? Or did you see me post INEC final results and declare Peter Obi president that you are shouting? Can you not see? So I don't understand all this fracas. I don't understand. And then that one that is calling herself Fumi of Lagos, that went on WhatsApp and started Yabo Ojo. If you want to go to Yabo Ojo, say Yabo Ojo is the new INEC. For me, I do not want to be your friend because you are a, what do we call these people again? Yes, you are a prostitute celebrity. People like that hop from one celebrity to the other.